So today I want to say about an ideal student. An ideal student is one who studies dedicatedly, behaves sincerely in school and at home, and also takes part in co-curricular activities. Every parent wants his child to become an ideal student who serves as a role model for others. An ideal student is good in academics, takes part in extracurricular activities, well behaved and well groomed. He is somebody everyone wishes to be like and wants to be friends with him. Teachers are also fond of such students and they are appreciated where they go. Memory, speed, creativity, attention, focus, and flexibility. These are the some intentions of ideal student. Ideal student traits make him unique among others. It is believed that an ideal student will never waste his time and energy on non-productive things. The ideal student has inborn winning qualities. Ideal students will always goal-oriented, thus they play according to actions to reach their goals. He respects everyone. He also obeys their instructions and orders. Ideal students are always fit both physically and mentally. Ideal students always keep friendly relations with other students even though he has many competitors in the school. He always maintains his promise and never feels proud of his own awards and achievements. Ideal students will never trust in superstitions but believes it is because they think very logically and rationally. So some of the qualities that make an ideal student are hard work, discipline, taking responsibilities, maintaining friendly relations, respecting everyone, raising doubts without fear. If you are an ideal student, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice day. Subscribe to our channel.